Hey everybody, so today we are on a local project. We had a super sweet couple reach out to us, sorry about the wind, and they were looking for a 25 by 25 foot concrete slab for their backyard. And so Chuck's out here working on that today. We're waiting on the truck to get here to pour the concrete. Okay, so right now Chuck is pushing the rocks down so that it ends up with a much smoother surface. And he has another tool he'll come back with here in a little bit and smooth that out with. Right now they're prepping the second truck to pour the other side. Okay, here comes the last one. Okay, Chuck, so as you wind up this project, you want to tell them what you did?
Well, we poured, this pad took 11 cubic yards. So it's on average at 6.5 inches. Some places closer to the house where the ground was sloping, it's closer to 7 inches. So, first thing we did was had to pour it and kind of level it off with our shovels and whatnot. Then we took our board and raked off the excess. Then I had to come back.
You guys, this pad is so big. Joe had to custom make that board back there. You can see that little connector piece there in the center.
Yes, so it's 22 from north to south and 25 from the house out. So right now we're just, I've already floated it, got it all nice and smooth. They wanted a brush finish so that when the kids get out of the pool,
it's not slick and slippery.
It's not slippery. So right now we're just winding it up.
Which was really hard, guys. You see that big long broom over there? So when Joe was doing it, he wasn't able to stand on the pad itself. So he was having to extend to the center. That's why you have kind of like this, it's different on either side because of having to stretch from either side to do it. Sorry about going in and out of focus.
So right now I'm just waiting for it to dry up a little bit so I can get another brush on it and make everything look all nice and uniform.
We also want to give a big thank you to Richard from
Pawnee Ready Mix.
Pawnee Ready Mix in Pawnee, Oklahoma. He came out and poured it and helped us to smooth it out with the board. That was supposed to be my job today, but it actually ended up taking a lot more upper body strength than I was going to have for it. So we really appreciated Richard helping us out with that. Okay guys, it is officially finished. Today Joe came back and got rid of the wooden frame around the edge. Again, it's a 22 by 25 foot. He ground the lines out here. You can see that the filler is still wet, so it's a little bit shiny. And it's just going to be 4 squares. And those cracks are just for relief in case, you know, the ground settles, shifts, earthquakes, whatever. Usually, hopefully, the hope is that if there's an earthquake, it will follow that crack line instead of cracking through the concrete itself. So, but we did, remember, stabilize it on the inside with rebar. The entire pad. So hopefully it'll last for many years to come. Don't forget to subscribe if you like videos like this, and click the like button if you enjoyed this particular video. It helps the YouTube algorithm to push our videos. If you want to click on that bell also while you're down there subscribing, it will notify you of future videos. Remember that we do videos on home remodel, home decor, DIYs, but on a professional level, as Joe and I are both certified in our profession. But that's it. We're going to wrap this one up. Say bye, Chuck.
Bye, Chuck.
All right, we're going to finish loading up the buck and head out. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.